Good morning, this is Becca with the Frosted Flamingo, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Piggy corner bookmark. This is a really fun and simple craft, and it doesn't require a lot of tools or materials. So what you need is some glue, some scissors, a pen or a marker, and then a couple pieces of paper, one square of dark pink paper, and then some scrap white paper and some scrap light pink paper. All right, so we're first going to take our dark pink square and I'm going to fold it into a triangle. So taking the bottom corner, folding it up to meet the top corner, just like that. Next, I'm going to take the bottom right corner and fold it up to meet that top point of the triangle. So we get that shape. Then I'm going to repeat that on the left side. So bottom left corner up to the top point of the triangle. I'm getting this shape, and then what we'll do is just unfold both of those points back to our original triangle. Okay, next we're going to take the front flap of the top corner of the triangle, and we're going to bend that top point down to meet the bottom edge of the triangle. Getting this shape. And then we will take the bottom right point and fold it back up just as we did before, but then we'll tuck it behind that most recent fold. So this is what is going to create that little corner bookmark. We've got one side and then the same thing. So folding the right corner up and then tucking it behind that center flap. Voila, here we have our perfect little corner bookmark. And now comes the fun part. We decorate it like a pig. So I have my white paper. I'm going to cut two circular shapes for eyes out of my white paper. And I have folded my paper in half, so I'm cutting both eyes at the same time. But your eyes do not need to be the same size at all. These are really fun and wacky pigs, so it's totally fine if they're different sizes. All right, so I've got two white circles for eyes, and then I'm going to take my light pink paper and cut a snout, so an oval shape for the snout. And you also want to make sure that these shapes are not too big or too small for your bookmark. You can start with any size square with the dark pink paper, so I am doing a smaller little piggy this morning, but yeah, I just cut a little oval, and then I made sure that looked just about right on my bookmark. And then finally, I'm going to cut two heart shapes for ears. So one and two. All right. And before I attach all of these parts, I'm going to take my black marker or pen, and I'm going to make two little dots in my white circles for pupils. And then on my oval, I'm going to make two vertical lines for nostrils. So 1 and 2. Okay, and so now we're ready to glue everything on. So I'm just using some basic Elmer's glue. I'm going to start with my snout, and you just need a tiny bit of glue there. You want to make sure the folded parts are on the top here, because that's the part that sinks down on the top of the book. And putting my snout right in the middle of my bookmark. Okay, there it is. And then the eyes will just go right above that snout. So just a little bit of glue. One eye. And the other. So I have my nose, my snout, and my eyes. And then last but not least, I've attached those ears. So a little drop of glue at the bottom of the heart. Got one. And the other. So this little guy has pretty big ears. Just a baby piggy here. So he's ready to join his family now. Awesome. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this craft today. And we're so sad not to see you at Bacon and Bourbon this summer, but we're looking forward to Bacon and Bourbon for 2021. Have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.